पहले आप सबको गुड़ी पड़वा की बहुत सारी हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा और नवरात्रों की भी। बट थैंक यू सो मच। आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर बहुत मैं तो छटपटाता हूँ, मुझे कोई ऐसा किरदार दे जहाँ पर बहुत चैलेंजिंग काम करने को मिले, उसके डीप अंदर जाने को मिले। तो थैंक्स टू तुषार कि उन्होंने मुझे सोचा श्रीकांत का कैरेक्टर प्ले करने के लिए। एज एन एक्टर दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट, दैट्स व्हाट आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉर, कि जितना चैलेंजिंग, जितना घुस कर काम कर पाए उतना ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है। I love you too, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Shrikant Bola, ladies and gentlemen.
Shrikant Bola.
Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. जिन्होंने इंस्पायर किया है इस पूरी कहानी को and of course इस पूरी फिल्म को.
The man himself.
Shrikant sir, congratulations.
Wow, I have no words to say, but I congratulate the entire cast crew, Bhushan Kumarji, Tushar, and one and all who has worked on this film, especially brother Raj, because ever since the motion poster was out, I have been receiving numerous calls and messages from friends and say, both of you look better, and I ask them, who look better? So most of the people tell me, and I take liberty to say, Tushar's father says I look better.
I agree. I totally agree here.
But it is a great work put in by the team, especially to show this kind of a story in the most funny and yet inspiring way is a big challenge. And Tushar and team has done a phenomenal job getting a biopic shot at the age of 30, 35 and living with that glory and achieve more growth for the next 35 years is a big challenge in front of me as a real hero, and I would love to protect that, uphold all your respects, and thank you so much one and all. Hope this film becomes a big success, especially as an actor. This will bring laurels for Raj. Thank you.
Happy New Year. Happy Navratri. When Tushar narrated me the film, जब कहानी सुनाई मुझे और जब इनके किस्से सुनाए पहले तो मुझे कहानी से ज़्यादा किस्से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट थे। जो एक्चुअल रवि जो बैठे हैं वहाँ पर और श्री के साथ जो किस्से थे, वो जो एक केमिस्ट्री सुनाई सिर्फ मुझे, वो इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग है। पहली चीज़, जब भी हम कोई ऐसी फिल्म करते हैं तो बहुत इमोशनल होगी, बहुत बेचारा टाइप फील होगा, बहुत ऐसा सैड स्ट्रक्चर होगा फिल्म का। ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। तुषार ने बोला ऐसा कुछ नहीं है फिल्म के अंदर, बहुत मज़ेदार फिल्म है, बहुत मज़े करोगे आप लोग। एंड इट्स अ प्लेजर वर्किंग विद राज, और हम सब पसंद करते हैं राज को, इसके काम को, और दोस्ती करना आई थिंक ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कोई भी फिल्म करने से पहले। सो वी बिकम फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट एंड देन वी एक्टेड इन द फिल्म। तो वो कहीं ना कहीं वो एक केमिस्ट्री दिखती है, और जब इतना लिबर्टी देते डायरेक्टर हमको काम करने की कि जो करना है करो, तो हम वही कर रहे थे जो मैं लग रहा था बैठ के। बट थैंक यू तुषार फॉर द फिल्म, थैंक यू भूषण जी। एक और मौका आपके साथ काम करने का, लगातार करते ही आ रहे हैं, और टचवुड सारी फिल्में बहुत अच्छी गई हैं अभी तक, और ये फिल्म भी मुझे लगता है लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगी। थैंक यू सो मच।
The biggest and the most loved film producer of our country. Give it up for Mr. Bhushan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen.
First of all, thank you very much for the response you all have given. And मैं अभी बोलते हुए बहुत इमोशनल हो रहा हूँ, बिकॉज जो श्रीकांत ने जो अभी पापा के बारे में बोला, कैसेट्स के बारे में बोला, सो आई एम वेरी वेरी इमोशनल एंड टच विद योर experience what you have done with the cassettes, which my father was very very attached to.
Sir, just to add, those cassettes are the only books that I had in the form of cassettes, and that got me 98% in my first year of math, physics and chemistry.
और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है इस फिल्म को प्रोड्यूस करने में। जब तुषार मेरे पास पहली बार ये स्क्रिप्ट लेके आया था, तो एक लाइन सुनाई थी, तो उसी में मैं बहुत हम अटैच हो गए थे। देन वी वर थिंकिंग कास्टिंग किसको करें, तो देन मैं तुषार ने बोला कि ये मेरे हिसाब से राजकुमार राव के अलावा कोई ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस कर नहीं सकता। तो देन वी वेंट टू राज, एंड राज ने आई थिंक पहली बार सुनते ही हाँ बोल दिया कि ये मैं फिल्म कर रहा हूँ। एंड थैंक यू राज, आपने बहुत बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस की है।
थैंक यू
एंड थैंक यू श्रीकांत फॉर गिविंग अस द राइट्स टू प्रोड्यूस दिस फिल्म।
No, it's my noble opportunity and pleasure, sir.
I mean, imagine in one promo, if you got attached to him, we spent so much time with him. He's just like a part of a family. And the best part about Shrikant is that I think he's more witty than all of us put together. He has us rolling on the floor whenever we sit with him. And it's just, and having Raj play Shrikant has been, and I want to tell you all something about Raj. The minute he used to come on set and wear his lenses, he used to transform and he used to become Shrikant. Then koi break bhi hota tha, you know, even if you're eating lunch, he would not remove his lenses. He would sit like Shrikant to the extent that I would not see Raj. I would only see Shrikant, and I would forget sometimes that Raj is playing Shrikant. Till the time he removed his lenses, he was Shrikant. He didn't change he didn't become Raj at any, he was so honest to his performance. It was just it was a pleasure watching him perform. We had a fabulous team. Tushar, I think like Shri, the real Shri, put it very, very eloquently that he's, I don't think there's any person who's more persistent and resilient than Tushar. He gets what he wants, he goes after it. I mean, I married him. So no, but it's been a beautiful, beautiful journey, and thank you, Bhushanji. He's really been a backbone for us. He's supported us so beautifully, and I also want to shout out to Jyotika and Alaya, my two girls who I'm missing today. They are such an important part of this film. They bring the soul and heart of this film, and they are missed today. And but they'll be with us soon, and it's just been incredible. We've met incredible people. It's become a family, and the journey has been long and hard. But we hope everybody enjoys the honesty and the love that we poured into it.
No, for sure, sir. Before you said it, actually हम लोगों ने ये already हमने बात की है कि हम during our promotion हम इस बात को भरपूर कोशिश करेंगे कि ये बात लोगों तक पहुँचे कि organ donation कितना important है. जैसे कि आपने कहा, आपने personally इस चीज़ को महसूस किया है. I'm sure there are millions out there जिन्होंने महसूस किया है, और हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक ये मैसेज पहुँच पाए. I think the idea was same when I started out in 2010 with the Love, Sex और धोखा with Diwakar Banerjee. The idea was same, that to just push myself as an actor and to do variety of roles and not to put myself into a bracket. You know, this is something that people should know me for. कि राज सिर्फ यही करता है. I want to do everything. I don't want to never ever think कि ये शायद नहीं हो पाएगा. You know, whenever somebody says कि यार ये बहुत मुश्किल है, तू कर पाएगा, as Shrikant says in the film also कि मैं सब कर सकता हूँ. मैं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो नहीं कर सकता. मैं सब कर सकता हूँ. And that's what I want to aim for, that's what I want to try, to push myself as an actor with every film, whenever you get an opportunity. Of course, you do films which are like light-hearted, like Stree and Bareilly also. But whenever I get a chance to do films like Shrikant or Shahid or Trap, Newton, I love it. You know, as an actor, drama will always be my favorite genre. But I love making people entertain as well, giving them entertainment. Either entertain them or engage them in a conversation. So that's the two ways I see cinema is. सर यही मेरा प्रयास है, जैसे कि आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा कि वो ऐसा न लगे कि मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ. उसके लिए मैंने श्रीकांत के साथ बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया. और जो मैंने एक चीज़ तुषार को भी फर्स्ट डे ये हमने जब बात करना शुरू की तो मैंने बोला था कि ये दिस फिल्म इज़ नॉट अबाउट श्रीकांत बीइंग विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड. That's something that is there. It's a story. We are seeing an aspirational story. वो visually impaired है, ये एक fact है. But we're not going to focus on him being visually impaired. Because when I met Shrikant, we were very normal. Like, we were like talking, discussing. He's very witty. He's very funny. I asked him so many questions. Some of them were very personal as well. But he was very open to the idea. उन्होंने मुझे पूरी जिंदगी अपने खोल के रख दी सामने. And then as an actor, ये मेरी job है कि मैं कितना उससे लूँ और उनको कितना ऑब्जर्व करूं, कितना अपनी ज़िंदगी में उतारूं. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम श्रीकांत, मैं और तुषार बहुत सारे विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड स्कूल भी जाते थे. हम लोग यहाँ पे गोरेगांव SV रोड पे जोगेश्वरी में वहाँ पे ब्लाइंड स्कूल है, वहाँ जाते थे. वहाँ पे घंटों में बैठता था. बिकॉज माई थिंग वॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू पोर्ट्रे रियलिटी ऑन स्क्रीन. कि मैं, जैसा कि निधि ने कहा, कि कोशिश यही थी कि मैं जब सेट पर आऊँ तो मैं श्रीकांत हूँ, जब तक पैकअप ना हो मैं श्रीकांत ही रहूँ. वो हम एक लेंस पहनते थे आँख में छोटा सा कुछ, जैसे ही वो लगता था मैं श्रीकांत हो जाता था. फिर सेट पे कोई आता था नहीं आता था मुझे पता नहीं होता था. एक बार भूषण जी भी आए थे. बट आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली वे आई कुड डू दिस पार्ट. अदरवाइज just to act like a visually impaired person on camera and then cut and then you're normal Raj hanging out chilling, that's not how I see my art is. My art is too spiritual, it's too meditative for me, and I love it immensely, just to corrupt it with any kind of cheat codes.
Actually, I have to
See,
tell you
just
something.
to
1 second,
add-
I'll tell you. 1 sec. Just to add something. तो जो पहला दिन जब शरद और ज्योतिका ने शूट किया इसके बाद पूना में, तो ये बिल्कुल उनसे बात नहीं किया. तो शरद और ज्योतिका दोनों मेरे पास आए, बोला ये बहुत ही अकड़ता है यार, ये एक्टर है क्या है, बात भी नहीं करता. तो I said नहीं ये ऐसा ही है, रोल क्लिप. Then in the evening when they met them, they said हाँ ये ठीक है, ठीक है.
So in this movie, the blindness is not shown, the vision is shown. See, many people often ask me, many people ask me, do you have any vision? Of course I tell them I am full of vision. What do you mean? No, you don't see, no. So people doesn't mean vision is different and sight is different. People doesn't often get that difference. And I made it very clear to Tushar, and Tushar actually understood that concept, that vision is for the mind and sight is for the eye. So the eye is not shown, whereas the mind is shown in this film. Therefore the netrahinta or whatever blindness, which is so-called sympathetic angle that people take it, that is not shown. A man with challenging nature, without the privilege of eyesight, but with full of vision, can do wonders. That is the concept.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. मैं बिल्कुल भी विंडिक्टिव नहीं हूँ, पर अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान करता है, हाँ तब ज़रूर क्यों नहीं तब मैं श्रीकांत बन जाता हूँ. जैसा इसका ग्रिट है, जैसा इसका परसिवरेंस है. But otherwise, no, I'm not vindictive at all. I think we all should be good human beings first, यार. उसके बाद ही I think सब कुछ, everything else matters later.
I have a question for Shrikant and Rajkumar. Shrikant, I think on a very light note, it's your academic achievements are obviously known, but you're someone who understands sound so much better than the rest of the world. I want to understand, how did you look at Hindi cinema when you were listening to cassettes at the time and visualize? Today you are literally being on screen and you're being celebrated in the biggest industry. So tell us about that. Who were your actors and the songs that you like at that time? The next question will be for Raj.
See, you can see until your eye can see, but I can see beyond. That is actually what makes us pay attention to minute things that are so important in life, because if you don't have a privilege of eyesight, you have to pay extra attention in whether doing business, that too under very complicated environment in our country, or whether it's education, whether it's playing cricket. See, the ball, when it rolls on the ground, when the wind is so high, the ball sound is not even heard, is not even properly audible. Yet you need to pay attention on your ears to make sure how the ball is coming, be it a baseball or be it a cricket ball that I played. So it's always important to pay attention to detailing in life, whether for a normal individual or visually challenged individual. So things, because it's always challenge to pay detailing on multiple on small things. So that's exactly what I do, and that is what gives me good results. So I can even tell whether my machine bearing or a blade is right by hearing the noise of the machine. So that is the level of detailing that I give it to in the works that I do. So coming to movies, yes, I watch selective Hindi movies which carries big subject, which carries, so I have seen biopics like Gunjan Saxena, I have seen Parmanu and things like that, some movies which Mission Majnu, which has a good subject again. So I am very particular in terms of watching movies. Telugu, I watch a lot of movies because movie and language goes together with me. I cannot resonate even though I speak flawless English, I don't watch English movies because that is not where I belong. The medium that I belong is Telugu, and that is where I take entertainment and I watch most movies.
Raj, Raj, it is true that we only celebrate certain characters through the slow-mos, through the punchy dialogues and massy way, because we have a certain way of looking at things and trying to make them even more indie, which is not a bad thing. But what happens is also you get to entertain so much more when you tell stories in this manner. You've been, you've chosen very, very interesting roles, and you've done indie films as well. But at the core of your heart, you've always said, I am here and I love the classic hero and the films like that. I think this story is being celebrated that way, and it's probably the best thing that we see today, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. This is the kind of storytelling I totally believe in. Where you, as we were talking earlier, where you don't see being visually impaired as a problem, or see it from a sympathetic point of view. It's nothing. it's not a disability. It gives you more power, as Shrikant said. It makes you, it empowers you with other things. And what Shrikant has achieved in his life is something which most of us haven't achieved in life. So I think this is truly an inspirational and aspirational story, and I'm so glad that I'm a part of it. And it's been made by Tushar and produced by Bhushan sir, both prolific makers. We have seen Insaan Ki Aankh how the kind of cinema he makes, and it's never preachy. It's very much for every audience member. You know, it's not targeted towards a certain kind of an audience. It's meant for everyone. It's commercial. It's entertaining. And that's exactly what Shrikant is. That's why I love this story so much, because it tells you such a big thing with a lot of light-hearted moments.
जसं की राजकुमार सरांनी सांगितलं की प्रत्येक कलाकाराला अशी एक हौस असते की त्यांनी वेगवेगळे रोल्स करावे. माझ्यासाठी पण ऑफलेट काय होतं ना की असं एक भारदस्त आवाज, एक भारदस्त एक कलाकार आहे असा, तर बऱ्याचदा असं होतं की लोक एकाच दिशेने त्याला बघतात की हा असेच रोल करणार किंवा हा असा भारदस्त रोल करणार किंवा असं खूप स्ट्रॉंग कॅरेक्टर करणार. म्हणून असे सिनेमे करतो जिथे लोकांना वाटेल की ना हा बाकी काही पण करू शकतो. आणि एका कलाकारासाठी ते खूप इम्पॉर्टंट पण आहे, कारण तुम्ही काय करू शकता त्याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला चान्स मिळणं गरजेचं आहे. आणि जर असे चान्स मिळाले तर एक कलाकार दाखवू शकतो की तो काय काय करू शकतो. म्हणून असे सिनेमा म्हणजे करावे लागतात. आणि म्हणजे आम्हाला खूप आवडतं, कारण जे सेम वस्तू तुम्ही परत परत केली तर आपल्या आयुष्यात काय म्हणजे काही एक्साइटमेंट नसेल. लोकांना भलेही ते आवडेल, ॲज अन ॲक्टर मला नाही आवडणार ते की मी सेम गोष्ट रोज करतोय, सेम फिल्म्स करतोय किंवा सेम कॅरेक्टर्स करतोय. म्हणून ही फिल्म खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे माझ्यासाठी, लोकांना हे दाखवण्यासाठी की असेही रोल मी करू शकतो.
Thing like it, ma'am. It has to do well. It has to do well, inspire people across the world. It should.
थिएटर में आ गया, बहुत बड़ी बात है मैडम, ऑस्कर छोड़ दो.
It should just inspire people in every step. Be it people of disabled parents or teachers who's teaching people with disabilities, or the coaches who's doing it, or in fact even the employers, even the policy makers and everyone. That's all what the film aims for, and rest of the things are just in air.
ऐसा सब होगा, पर इनके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
That's all. It could have been an off-record praise or whatever. So nothing serious on aiming for Oscars or anything.
No, absolutely. I think our journeys was pretty similar that way. Like, he comes from a very humble background, and likewise I come from a very humble background. He didn't have too many means, you know, throughout his journey. Likewise, so I could totally relate to his journey. But only thing he had was grit. Only thing he had was a dream that he wanted to achieve this, no matter how, but he would achieve it. And that's exactly how my life was. Like, I wanted to be a film actor one day. I had no other plan in my life. This is the only thing I always wanted to do, and just kept working the hardest till it happened. No, it's very tough to you always see problems with your work. So I'm very glad, I'm very happy that I'm a part of this film, that I got to play Shrikant in Shrikant. But there's much more. There's much more that I would love to achieve in life. There's much more, way more challenging characters I would love to portray on screen. Of course, there's a lot of vulnerable moments in the film, but we always wanted him to, come above those moments and be a winner, which he is in real life. So we were just portraying his life on screen, and his life, as we all have seen and have read, it's all about winning. It's all about, inspiring others.